So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Frigidaire gallery countertop Nugget ice maker not working, Auger and Descale. So fix 1 is perform a power reset. Unplug the ice maker or turn it off using the control panel. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes for the system to power down and the compressor to cool. Plug the unit back in and turn it on. The machine should cycle and attempt to fill with water. Second fix is check water level and supply. Verify that the internal reservoir is filled to the designated maximum line. If the reservoir is empty, add clean and filtered water. For unit connected to a direct water line, ensure the supply valve is fully open. Check that the tubbing is not kinked behind the counter. Third fix is run a descaling or cleaning cycle. Empty the ice bin completely, fill the reservoir with a 1:1 mixture of water and white vinegar. Engage the clean cycle on the control panel and let it run fully to break up internal blockage. Drain the cleaning solution. Run the machine with clean water for 2 to 3 additional cycles to flush out any remaining vinegar. Fourth fix is clear ice jam. Unplug the machine for safety. Remove the ice bin and check the auger. Use a soft warm damp cloth to melt and clear large clumps of ice of frost blocking and auger or dispensing cute. Let the unit sit for 15 to 20 minutes to allow it thaw. Replace the bin and restart the machine. Fifth fix is adjust environment and ventilation. Move the countertop machine to a cooler area away from direct sunlight. Ensure at least 4 inches of clearance around the back and side of the proper ventilation. Vacuum dust from the side vent or fan to prevent compressor overheating. So thanks for watching.